How would you like to give yourself a real advantage when it comes to finding your next job or job opportunity? Well, we have that advantage for you right now. It's called Spark My Resume, and it is a way that you will be able to have yourself stand out from the crowd when your resume hits the top of the stack. You can get started by going to spark.hiringincentives.org to begin the process. All you need to do is sign up for free to get started. Once you've hit the sign up button, you will be taken to the page where you can put your name and email address. We want to be able to tell your employers that you have the advantages that we're going to show you. Once you've completed your name and email, you'll be taken to the first of 5 different question areas. The first is, what type of companies have you been a part of in the past? List here any and all of the companies that you have worked for. Then the next page asks you what kind of jobs, what kind of roles have you had in those companies? What have you done for these companies that you've worked for? The next slide asks you what kind of activities you have had in these companies. And again, just scroll through the bubbles and pick the ones that correspond to anything that you have done in the past. And then on this page, you'll also see an area where they want to know how much did you typically earn when you were working in these jobs. And you can fill out that information and then proceed to the next slide, where we're going to be asking a few more intimate questions of you, but you will notice that we promise you that your prospective employers will never see the answers to these questions. But we will use this information to go out and find the tax credits that you might bring to that employer. And that's what's going to move you to the top. So once you've answered these questions, you'll be taken to your profile page. And here is where you will see all of the areas and possible tax credits that you could qualify for. There are over 100 different tax credits that are possible for you to bring to an employer. And this is what we want you to then be able to do. And finally, you will be able to download your certificate that you can attach to your resume. And this site will allow you to do that automatically, because you can use this site as a way for your employers to contact you. Once your employer realizes that you are bringing not only skills to your job, but a fairly serious tax credit for them, they will know that they have made a good decision in looking at you for your next job. So go to our website, spark.hiringincentives.org, and start your profile today.